Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenny. Today is Monday, April 12th, 2021, and we are back in school. I hope you have very good vacations, you rest a lot, you did a lot of fun things. Maybe you're going to tell me tomorrow, but today we're going to work. Well, not to work, just to introduction, just to talk about the topic that we're going to see this week. So, what we're going to see this week is about the future. Ooh, yeah, I know. About imagine the future that we are going to see in 50, I don't know, in some years. Yeah. So, for example, we have a lot of cases of the future that people think. We have the first picture here, and we have flying cars, we have the bridge, and there's a lot of people, the buildings with a little technology and stuff like that. We have the other scenario from Back to the Future, where we see holograms, we see hoverboards that you skate in the air. Ooh. We have flying cars. We have that. I don't know if you have seen the movie, but that we have sneakers that strap themselves. They and stuff like that. We have the jacket that fits you. There's a lot of cool things in the future in that movie. We also have, well, I told you, flying cars. We have robots and those things. The other scenario is about Star Wars. Star Wars with the lightsabers, where there's spaceships, there's life in other planets. There are a lot of things. There are bad things too, but I don't want that bad things. I want the robots. I want the lightsabers, the spaceships, those kind of things. Knowing aliens that are cool things. And lastly, we have the last scenario about Wally. Well, another scenario. This not the last scenario. The other scenario about the Wally that they don't eat food. They eat milk, some shakes, and they don't interact with other people. They only stare in their chairs that they are floating and see the picture or the hologram that stares in the faces, like this fella here. And there are robots that clean the area. I don't know if you have seen the movie, but that kind of things that are bad. You have seen the movie are bad because you don't interact with the other people and that kind of stuff. They're living up spaceships because the Earth doesn't have plants because we end up like that. So all of these are predictions that people think that's going to happen in the future or have a little of the idea of that. So our predictions. To say that something will happen in the future is a prediction we use there will be plus the thing that is going to be. For example, if there will be robots, habrá robots. There will be robots, but maybe you don't think there will be robots. And you say no robots. So to say that in the future there's no robots, you say there won't be robots, no habrá robots, and stuff like that. So these are for predictions. Let's see some examples. I have some examples here. I think there will be robots, there will be flying cars, but there won't be food for all of us. What I mean that there won't be food that you don't have a hamburger here and I think the future there will be like in Wally, like pills that make for food, or also this thing for that shakes, the thing that in Wally. So I think there won't be food like this, but there will be food like this. So here are some other predictions. Let's think about it and tell me, what do you think? There will or there won't? So in our planet, there are food supplies. I think there will be food supplies. So I put here there will be food supply. Their shares expand. I think there won't expand. I think they even are going to be smaller. Drinking water will decrease or won't decrease. I think there won't decrease because we have the ocean water and we're going to find a way to make that water drinkable. Also, Earth will or won't get colder. I think there won't get colder. I think it will get hotter, but not colder. Aliens will or won't be discovered. I really want to be discovered, so I will pick will. Aliens will be discovered. Travel to other planets will or won't be possible. In my opinion, it will be possible, but it will be expensive. So those are some predictions that I have from some examples. I want you to be thinking, maybe this, oh, maybe that. Okay, yes, no. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow. Think about what will happen in the future, what we'll have, what won't we have, and stuff like that. So I'm very happy to see you again. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.